On your cheat sheet, at the very minimum, should be these. You need to tell me it's a constant. F of x equals c. It looks like this. Or if it's linear, it looks like this. Or if it's quadratic or cubic or square root. It's really important, right? The other things that are important are that, remember, if it's going to be vertical, then that's f of x. If it's going to be horizontal, it's going to be x OPP, x opposite, right? If it's going to be shift, then it's going to be plus. If it's going to be, stretch, right? Or compress, then it's going to be a star. It's going to be multiplication. And then you got up, down, left, right. Hey guys, focus, stop talking. Plus, minus, plus. Okay? That's the very minimum you have. The very minimum. Okay? We're going to need more, but that's the very minimum. Alright, now let's look at the actual assignment.
I didn't know that it said compress on the first day. I thought it said comparison. So I've been writing comparison this whole time.
Oh, not my bad. I have bad handwriting. I'm trying to get better. Okay. So this one says shift up. Oops. I need the pen. Shift up 2, right? So I go up 2, 1, 2, and then right 3. 1, 2, 3. And so this is where I'm starting, right? And then I just rewrite the curve. That's it. Pretty simple. Okay? See, a lot of you do that. Number 2. Okay? On the practice test, or the big quiz, or whatever you want to call it. Number 2 is I'm looking at this and I'm seeing that it's a square. Well, that brings me right back to the parent function. I don't know if it's... Yeah? To the parent function. This. And so I need to write that in there. I know that it's a quadratic. But I also know that it looks like this. And I also know that it is f of x is equal to x squared. That's the parent function. Okay? Next. This guy. That looks like the cubic. So I'm going to write cubic. But I'm not going to stop there. I got to give the parent function f of x is equal to x cubed. Right? And I got to tell him, oh, it looks like this. I don't care that it looks like that. Great, it looks like that already. You got a lucky one. You got an easy one, right? Maybe I'm going to move that. Maybe it's going to be all over. I don't know what I'm going to do, how hard I'm going to make it for you guys. Okay? By midterm, by final, it's going to be really hard. I'm going to mess with you. I'm going to stretch it. I'm going to, do a lot of things to it. But right now, it's going to be easy. Yeah, it looks like that. Okay? Change your color. The next one has a square root in it. And the square root is not squared, so I'm not playing with your heads. It's actually the square root. So, square root. Okay, again, it looks like this. And it's f of x is equal to x squared. And the last one, linear. So let's go blue. Linear. Okay? So it's f of x, right, Kiko? Is equal to x. Looks like that. Okay? And that's problems 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the practice test.